Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel po. Welcome back to Jai and Jerry. Kumusta po ang lahat? I hope everyone is doing fine and well. So for today's video po, I would like to share with you the timeline of my green card process po. My DIY green card process dito po sa US. Green card or the adjustment of status. So for those who doesn't know, I just recently got approved on my green card. I am now a lawfully resident of the United States under conditional 2-year conditional approval or something like that. So anyways, yes, I did it all by myself. We didn't hire for a lawyer or any agency. Ako lang po ang nag-process. Ako lang nag-gather ng documents and we applied it through mail. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, my name is Jade po pala and I am originally from Cagayan de Oro City, but I live now here in Florida. I got here through a K1 fiancé visa and now a green card holder. So I have other videos as well about K1 fiancé visa applications, all the processes that you're going to go through, medical, interview, and all of that. I've already posted videos about it. Please go to my channel, Jai and Jerry. Click playlist and you will see the K1 visa and AOS step-by-step guide. I've posted all the videos about my experiences during the medical, the interview, how did I apply for it, when we applied, and the processes that I went through, CFO as well. So everything is there. It might help you. And I also have videos about the adjustment of status. I've posted videos already about what are the requirements, how we applied for it. And yes, so for this video, again, I'm going to share with you the timeline of my green card process, my adjustment of status application po. So, by the way, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based from my own experiences lang po. So here, this might help you. This might give you ideas and guide. So we applied for adjustment of status. Yes, October 10, 2023, we applied it through UPS. And this right here is my lockback office kung saan po namin sinubmit, and we submitted it through UPS. USCIS, Chicago, Illinois received it on October 12, 2023. I applied concurrently with the I-765 or the employment authorization and the advanced parole or the I-131. So back then po when I applied, I only paid $1,225 and that includes the employment authorization, the travel parole, and the biometrics as well. But recently, started April 1, 2024, they had an increase and you cannot file concurrently or not. It's not that you cannot file concurrently, but if you file I-765 and I-131 or the employment authorization and advanced parole together with your adjustment of status, you will have to be paying different fees in those forms. So right now, adjustment of status or the I-485 register for permanent resident is the fee is 1,440 if I'm not mistaken. Ilalagay ko na lang po dito yung price. And also, you have to pay for I-765 or the employment authorization, and this is the payment right here. The I-131 or the advanced parole, iba din po ang fee niya, and this is the fee right here. And I think you will also be paying for the biometrics, for your biometrics. If I'm not mistaken, biometrics cost like around $80 or $85. So ayun po, I will be putting all the correct information right here. So yes, again, back then I did not pay for the other forms. We only paid 1,225 and I applied it concurrently with I-765 and I-131. Now, October 16, 2023, we received an SMS or text message from the USCIS that they received the our data and we already have our NOAA 1. So that's our NOAA 1. October 19 to 25, 2023, we went to Arkansas and we were away for like about a week. And when we came back, we received the letter, the hard copy of our NOAA 1s from our 485, 765, and I-131. And I also received a letter to log into my USCIS account. There is an instruction paper on how you will log into your USCIS account, and you will be checking all your documents there. So we received that between October 19 to 25 of 2023. October 20, 2023, the USCIS send us a letter asking for an initial evidence. So, nagka-RFE po kami and we submitted it right away. They were asking, on the RFE letter that you will receive, it's written there kung ano yung kailangan nila, what they need from you, what evidence they need from you. So, they were asking for our or my husband's federal income tax return, yung most recent po na federal income tax return. And that is mostly or commonly the RFE or reason for na-RFE yung mga nag-a-apply po ng adjustment of status. So please be aware and make sure that your husband is sending the most recent federal income tax po nila. Yun po yung mga naririnig kong usually or usual reason ng RFE, yung income tax return po ng husband niyo. Make sure that it's the most recent. Now, November 7 of 2023, we received a hard copy of the schedule of our biometrics. Ayun po. Also, aside from this, you can check it through your account po, your USCIS account. You can find it on the documents section. Nandun po, i-click nyo lang po yung mga documents, history, mga ganyan po. So, November 7, again, we received the hard copy of our biometrics schedule. Sila po ang magbibigay. They will be the one to send you or make a schedule for you and where you are going to do your biometrics. November 16 of 2023, I did my biometrics at New Orleans in Louisiana, and my schedule time was 11 a.m. So we did my biometrics. You need to bring the letter. There's going to be 2 pages of it. The back page will be for you to sign and bring it to the biometrics place kung saan po or USCIS kung saan po kayo biometrics, and make sure that you bring your ID with you. Now, biometrics only takes about 5 or less than 5 minutes. Ang bilis-bilis lang po ng biometrics. All you have to do is they will take a picture of you, do a fingerprint scanning, and then signature po, electronic signature. Ganun po yung gagawin niyo, and that's it. It only takes 5 or less than 5 minutes. December 24, 2023, na-approve po ang aking employment authorization together with my travel parole, and nagawa na rin po nila ako ng SSN ID because I applied my SSN through the USCIS na po. So January 2 of 2024, na-receive namin ang hard copy ng approval ng work permit and the advance parole. And also, na-receive ko na din po yung aking ID or SSN ID. January 10 of 2024, na-receive ko na po ang hard copy, or not the hard copy, but I received my ID ang aking employment ID po. Na-receive ko na po ang aking employment ID and nandun na rin din po nakalagay yung advance parole. Yun na rin po yung gagamitin ninyo for your advance parole if you're planning to exit the country. So, ayun. It was card was delivered actually January 6, pero dumating siya sa akin January 10 na po sa mailbox namin. Now, June 21, 8 months later after I applied for my adjustment of status, I received an email. I received an email from USCIS asking me to log into my USCIS account. The exact email was, "We have taken an action. Please sign in to your USCIS account or your account." Naka-receive po ako ng email at 10:43 a.m. So, ang ginawa ko po, nag-log in agad ako sa aking USCIS account. And that's when I saw that they approved my green card. So, that's 8 months later. And June 26, 2024, I received an email again from USCIS at 3:38 p.m. po. The email again was, "We have taken an action to your case. Please log into your account." And then nung nag-log in po ako again on my USCIS account, it says there that we have produced your card. So ayun po. And June 26 of 2024, we were actually in North Carolina with my husband. Between June 28 and 29, June 29 na po kaming nakabalik from North Carolina. And by the way, June 28 was my first year dito po sa US. So it was actually a big gift from the immigration office to me na approve po ang aking green card in just a span of 1 year in my stay dito po sa US. So I'm really, really grateful and I'm really happy for that. So June 29, bumalik kami or nakabalik na kami from North Carolina. And I checked the mail, na-receive ko na po ang aking green card, and they actually gave me another SSN card. So ayun, and the approval notice was there as well, because again, June 26 we were in we were in North Carolina and umuwi kami June 29 na. So, when I checked my USCIS account, it says there that they delivered my card was delivered to the address on June 29. So, I think na-deliver nila June 29 na po nila na-deliver dito po sa aming bahay. So, ayun, June 29 of 2024, na-receive ko na ang aking green card. Finally, I'm a lawfully resident of the United States na po, under conditional pa po naman. So 2 years, it's a 2 years approval or 2 years green card. So in the next 2 years or before my 2 years expires, I have to apply for a removal of conditions para naman po proceed siya sa into 10 years naman yung validity ng green card, or mag-apply ako ng another green card, which is the 10-year green card. So yun po ang aking timeline ng process ko po or application ko of my adjustment of status or my green card. From start to green card approval and green card on hand. So hopefully this will help you. This will give you a guide on what to expect. But then again, it's case-to-case basis. You can't really compare your process with my process and other processes kasi iba-iba po siya. It's different in every state and it's different in every case. By the way, I did not go through an interview, but some people are going through an interview at the USCIS po sa immigration. May iba na nag-i-interview po. So, it's really case-to-case basis. So, please just prepare. What are the requirements and how to apply for I-485 or the register or application to register for permanent residence or adjustment of status? Please check these videos right here. I've already explained it there kung ano yung mga requirements, how we applied for it, so it might give you a guide. And on my next video po, I'll try my best to share with you how I fill out Form I-485 or the adjustment of status. Kasi ang daming nagtatanong sa akin about paano ba mag-apply, paano ba yung fill out, ano ba yung mga questions, ano daw yung sagot sa mga specific questions doon. May mga questions doon na hindi nila alam kung ano yung isasagot nila. So I will try my best na baka this week or next week maka-upload ako on how to fill out I-485 or the adjustment of status. So please stay tuned for that one. Again, please visit my channel. Go to K1 Visa and AOS step-by-step guide. This might help you sa mga still processing their K1 fiancé visa. I have videos here, and who are now preparing to apply for their adjustment of status. I have videos here. So please check, please visit, and please don't forget to subscribe po sa aking channel. I would really appreciate really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share my videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. I also have other videos about my day-to-day life po dito sa US, mga travels namin ni husband, and then yung mga ginagawa namin sa weekend, especially mga fishing videos. You might get interested, or please watch na rin po, and don't forget to like and share. Maraming salamat po. Hello, green card holders! And next time po, baka kayo naman din po or ikaw naman din ang magka-green card. So good luck and enjoy the process. Live life to the fullest. Don't stress your life. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye!